Good morning, it's Friday, October 23rd, 2020, and this is your daily agenda. In reading today, we are going to be taking a Wonder Selection test. This will be our first time trying this. This is a digital reading test, and it's going to go over the story we read this week during reading time called Who Wrote the U.S. Constitution? In writing, we will be finishing our final copies on our Inventor and Inventions essays. This will be done in Google Docs. In math, you will be taking a short multiplication quiz. You may use your multiplication chart. You'll need to show your work on your paper. This will be done on a Google Forms that will be attached in the links below this video in your Google Classroom. And in art, we're going to be learning about our new Artist of the Month, Jackson Pollock. Okay, it's journal time. Today's journal prompt is, all right, it's journal time. Today's journal prompt is, would you rather be very poor but had parents who loved you and each other, or be fabulously wealthy, which means rich, but had parents who ignored you and were always fighting with each other? I'd like you to set a timer on your iPad for about 5 minutes. Pull out your journal, write for about 5 minutes, and then you're done with journal time. Right now would be a good time to pause this video, start your timer, and start writing. Come back when you're done. Okay, book club time. Today, you will need to read pages 82 through 90 in The One and Only Ivan. You're going to finish, after you're finished reading, you're going to take a photo of your book club papers so that Mrs. H can see your progress. Right now would be a good time to pause this video, go read, write on your book club papers, and take a photo. All right, reading time. So like I said, today we will be taking your Wonder Selection reading test. This will be on your iPad. You may use your big reading book to help you answer the questions. You will need to follow the steps on the next slides to get to your test. Step 1. You will tap on the Google Chrome icon on your iPad. Step 2. When Google Chrome opens, you're going to get to a screen like this. You may also already be on a website, so you want to get to a blank screen, and you can do that by tapping that plus sign and opening up a new tab. In the search bar, you're going to type in google.com. Step 3. In the upper right-hand corner, you will see your Google avatar. That's the little circle. Sometimes it has a picture of your face or a picture you've selected. Sometimes it's just a color with your initial in it. And next to your avatar, you're going to see this thing. It's called a waffle. It kind of looks like a waffle. I'd like you to tap on your waffle right there. Step 4, you're going to scroll down to the bottom of your waffle. So once you've tapped on it, it's going to open a small little window right here, and you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom until you find the McGrawHill Education App. Tap on that. Step 5. You will be brought into the McGrawHill Education App. Tap on the word Launch next to the image of your reading textbook. The screen will look like this, and you might have 1 or 2 textbooks there. You'll see one of them that we have in our desk. You're going to tap on this blue button that says Launch. Step 6, you will now be redirected to the home screen. Tap on the green button with the clipboard. So this is what the screen will look like. Tap on that green button. Step 7, tap on the word My Test in the blue bar. Here's the blue bar, and you're going to tap on those white words. Step 8, tap the green button that says Take Now. Bam. All right, right now would be a good time to pause this video, go take your test, and come back and finish this video when you're done. It's okay to go back in this video and re-watch the steps to get into your test if you can't remember all of them. Writing time. Time to finish those final copies. Aren't we all excited to be done with our Inventors and Inventions essays? Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to go into your Google Docs. Many of us have already started this, and you're just going to type in your final copy. Your document should be shared with me so that I will be able to see what you're doing on it. Right now would be a good time to pause this video, go finish typing, and come back when you're done. Okay, for math today, you're going to be taking a test. Your test will be over multiplication. We've been practicing this all week. If you need a refresher before your quiz, check out the link in your Google Classroom underneath this video to watch a short video on multiplication. You can use your times table chart to help you. Make sure you do this on a sheet of paper because you're going to need to take a picture of it to show me what you can do. Your quiz will be part of your daily quiz that's in your Google Classroom. You'll find this by tapping on the Classwork tab at the bottom of the screen, finding the folder called Daily Quizzes, and going into that. Your 2 questions will be there. That's something you can do when you're all finished. Art. Today we will be learning about a new artist, Jackson Pollock. You're going to watch a couple of videos today to learn a little bit more about him. In your Google Classroom, underneath this video in the links, you're going to watch a video attached called Jackson Pollock Biography. Learn a little bit about him. When you're finished with that video, I want you to watch another video called Action Jackson. Right now would be a good time to pause this video, check out the other videos on your Google Classroom, and come back to this when you're done. All right, if you're here, you've completed every assignment you've been asked to do today. Here's a few other things to get done. Don't forget to take your quiz. It's in your folder. It's in the folder Daily Quizzes on Google Classroom. Remember to tap on the Classwork tab at the bottom of the screen, find the folder called Daily Quizzes, and it will have today's date, October 23rd. If you complete your daily quizzes and you still have more time today, I'd like you to go do one iReady lesson. Remember, when you go to iReady, you don't go straight to iReady. You're going to go to Clever, sign in with Google, and then iReady. If it seems like you're having trouble getting signed into Clever, make sure that your email address has your username at minnedokaschools.org, not at gmail.com. Once you've finished a one iReady lesson, if you've still got time on your hands, complete today's epic challenge. Where did jack-o'-lanterns come from? Last of all, if you still have a little more time, complete the week's epic library, Wonders, Unit 2, Week 1, Who Wrote the U.S. Constitution. If we all get finished, we can go out for a little bit of extra recess time. All right, make sure that you send me a message on Google Classroom if you need any help. See you on Monday.